But you gotta cut that.
Ago to live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two.
Good morning. I'm Linda and welcome to my channel another time. I am so excited today because I get to be part of a collaboration. I believe it's called Hot Diggity Dog, the Great Hot Dog Debate, hosted by Tina at Life in the Piedmont. And so today I'm going to be making my hot dog topping, and there are going to be several videos with recipes on Life in the Piedmont channel, so you need to be sure to go check them out. Make sure you comment on the videos and give her a thumbs up. Give all the videos a thumbs up, and you're going to find some incredible recipes. I'm so excited about this. This topping's a little different because it has a combination of sweet and spicy, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be using some various ingredients. The first I'm going to be using is a half of an onion. I'm also going to be using some of these peppers, some pickled jalapeno peppers with the carrots, pineapple crushed, and red bell peppers pickled. So it's basically a salsa. And we're just going to cut this onion. And you can cut it in the size of chunks that you want. Some people like big chunks, some people like little chunks. I'm just chopping it up in probably medium-sized chunks. I don't know. Next, I'm going to be cutting the serrano peppers, and they too are pickled. And I'm going to cut these up. First, I'm going to slice them, and then I'm going to chop them because I don't want great big pepper bites. I'm going to add that to the onion. And the rest, I'm just going to put the scraps into my new composter, which I'm excited about. Now I'm going to be doing the peppers, the jalapeno peppers. I've got 4 of them. I'm going to cut them up the same way I just cut up the serrano peppers. Saving my stems to go in my composter. I'm just cutting up the rest of these carrots and adding them to the salsa. Now I'm taking the red roasted bell peppers, and they're kind of really cooked a lot, so I'm going to cut these up. Into smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to add these peppers to my salsa mixture. last, I'm going to add about half a cup of crushed pineapple with the juice. And I'm going to stir this up. Now, I like to use tagine in anything spicy or a lot of my fruits and vegetables. And if you haven't tried it, it is so good. I happen to buy this at the salvage store, but Walmart sells it. It's really good. It's spelled T-A-J-I-N. And a little bit of garlic salt. If you could smell this, you would just be having your mouth water. I'm going to try a little bite. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my goodness.
Your mouth's on fire.
No, it is so good.
So good.
Let me get something to drink. So now I'm just going to take this salsa that I made and I'm going to top my pre-cooked hot dogs that I've Oh my gosh. This is so good, but you gotta cut that.